So this horse has been struggling with the heat. He got shipped in from Idaho last fall and having a little bit of trouble getting used to our summertime. So the last month or so, I had to go kind of easy on him. He's been staying in the stall on with a fan during the day, and I've been riding him in a covered arena. This is the first time I've ridden him out here in a while, trying to get his body a chance to just kind of acclimate. And he seems to be doing much better. He's not as lethargic as he was. Seems just to be generally a little perkier and a little bit happier. So I wanted to get him out here. I'm gonna trot him around a little bit. If that goes good, I might lope him around a little bit. I just need to kind of feel out and see where I am with him. He seems to be doing better, but until I get out here and put a little bit of pressure on him in the heat, I'm not gonna know. So let's go ahead and ask him to trot. When I was going easy on him, he was a little bit lethargic. So I let him get away with some things face-wise and body-wise that I normally wouldn't have, because he just didn't have the stamina to hold up to what I was asking him to do. So I'm sure I'm going to need to school some of that. I have been putting a little bit more pressure on him in the covered arena, trying to get some of that back. But now we're going to add a little bit more pressure so I can see just where we're at. We have a show coming up in a couple weeks I'd really like to take him to. But if we get him to the show in the heat and he can't hold up, then there's no use taking him. He feels good right now. He's about like he was before as far as forward impulsion. I don't have to really drive him forward like I had to do when he was really struggling with the heat. He's alert to everything around him. So he seems to be back to his usual self. Doesn't seem upset about working out here. Ask for a lope. For a Mustang, this horse has a really nice lope. I've ridden quite a few, maybe not as many as some people, but I've probably ridden 30 or 40 of them, and one with the trot and lope as nice as this one is pretty rare. They kind of hold it, pushing on my hands a little bit, probably from losing a little bit of muscle tone when I was going easy on him. We can get that back. That's not a big deal. It's stamina that I'm wanting to see where we're at. I'm making a bump with my spurs every stride or two to pick his back up. This horse kind of tends to get his head up a little bit, get a little inverted. So he needs a little bit of impulsion to round his back, round his body. I like what I'm getting so far. Feels a lot like the horse I had before on the trot. This horse shows or will be showing. We just started showing him a month or two ago when he started having trouble with the heat and we backed off. So there's only been a couple shows, maybe 3. And I showed him in ranch riding and cow work in the box drive box. And we also have been working him on ranch trail, on the ranch trail obstacles. Stop to look at the cow. Good sign. Transitions definitely could be better. So lead. The plan is to put sliders on him, and when he's next to, this will be his first sliders. Kind of falling to the right a little bit, but his ears are perky. I can work on the fall, and that's muscle. The perky ears and the paying attention. That was the heat stress that he wasn't handling. Steer over here. We definitely lost some muscle tone. Get down here and ask for a trot transition. I typically don't stand in my extended trots because I like to sit so I can pick them up with my legs. Let's get another to the trot. Those upward transitions could be crisper. That goes back to muscle tone. Let's see what we got for a stop. Whoa. That needs to be better. He fell on his front end in the stop. That's muscle tone again. So overall, I'm really pleased. He's barely even sweating. I think we have overcome our obstacle of getting him acclimated to Mississippi summer. And this is his first summer out of Idaho. And I'll put this as trigger. I'll put a link up here to his other videos, to his playlist. I've done quite a few videos of him. Until next time, thank you for watching.